Hey, what's up? This is Jared with the Daily App Show. We're going to take a look at sports car engines today, which is an application that allows you to hear the different sound effects that cars make. Now, what's really cool is that there are some really nice cars here. One of my favorite cars ever, the Bugatti. And so if I wanted to hear what one sounds like, I can get a little bit of details about it right here, some specs. Hit play. That car sounds awesome. Lots of cars to choose from. Let's go ahead and take a look at an Aston Martin. We have the different options here. Let's go ahead and see what this sounds like. Not as impressive as the Bugatti. I really don't think anything on the face of this planet is as impressive as a Bugatti. Here you've got a Maserati. Let's try that. Definitely cool. So if you're looking for an application that has lots of great car sounds, this is the app for you. Definitely a must-have for those of you who love high-end cars, higher-end cars. We've got a lot of options here, all the way from Honda all the way up to Bugatti. So definitely check it out in the App Store today.